Do you want to know how to start a courier business? Courier services have been around for decades and are more in demand than ever. Starting a courier business can be a lucrative opportunity, especially with the increasing demand for fast and reliable delivery services. Starting a courier business requires more than just having a vehicle and making deliveries. Building a successful courier company takes research, planning, and understanding the complexities of the industry. This video provides an overview of the courier business and actionable steps to launch your own company in this competitive market. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Now, let's look into the business overview of a courier business. Courier businesses transport packages, goods, and documents from local businesses to recipients, who may be other businesses or individuals. Couriers offer the advantage of fast delivery, package tracking, and a more secure experience than businesses might have if they use traditional shipping methods. Most courier businesses accommodate a wide range of goods, including a same-day document delivery or a more complicated large piece of equipment that requires special handling. Couriers transport goods by van, car, bike, foot, or plane. Couriers may work with a variety of customers, but they typically have specific service areas that they know well. Pharmacies, veterinarians, realtors, lawyers, and many other businesses frequently use couriers for convenience and efficiency. Couriers don't just operate during standard business hours but may also deliver at night. Even though they operate in rural areas, couriers are often found in highly populated areas, like cities, where such time-sensitive deliveries are common. When it's time to start your courier business, you don't have to start full-time immediately. This is an industry that allows you to test the waters on a part-time basis while still retaining employment elsewhere. You can gradually scale up your business and transition into a full-time operation once you've built up your clientele. Now, let's look out at the industry summary. The courier industry is competitive, with major players like FedEx, UPS, and DHL controlling a large share of the market. However, small regional and local couriers thrive by providing specialized services tailored to their market. According to IBIS World, the couriers and local delivery services in the United States industry experienced annual growth of 6.2% each year between 2018 and 2022. The 455,000 businesses in the industry are expected to generate $167.7 billion in 2023. Industry trends helping small couriers succeed include the rise of e-commerce and the resulting increased demand for fast, flexible delivery services. Last-mile delivery needs create opportunities for same-day local courier services. Now, let's discuss the steps to start a courier business. With preparation and hard work, there is a lot of opportunity for businesses in the courier industry. Here are the major steps needed to start a successful company in this complex service business. Step 1. Research the market. First, define your target area. Look for areas with high population density and booming businesses. These areas tend to have a greater need for delivery services. Next, identify the industries you want to serve. Different industries have different needs. Legal firms need fast document delivery, while medical facilities require careful transport of sensitive materials. Understanding these needs will help you tailor your services. Research existing competitors in your area. Look at their services, pricing, and marketing to see how you can compete. There might be gaps you can fill or areas where you can offer a better service. The courier business is always changing. Be aware of new trends, like the rise of food delivery services. This will help you adapt your business as needed. Step 2. Write a business plan. So, you've done your market research and, more than ever, see the potential of your courier services. Now comes the next step, which is writing a business plan. Unless funding is needed, a business plan isn't going to be a requirement. But, writing one anyway is a great idea because it takes your head full of ideas and puts those ideas down on paper. This clarifies your vision and reveals any holes in your plan. One of the biggest benefits of a business plan is its focus on financial projections. This section estimates your business's income and expenses and helps you gauge whether your business is financially feasible. After all, turning a profit is the end goal, and this exercise will show you how long it might take to reach that milestone. Step 3. Secure funding. From purchasing vehicles to covering operating costs, finding the necessary funds can be one of the most stressful aspects of launching a courier business. Here are some ways you can secure the money to start. Personal savings. The most straightforward option to fund your business is to dip into your personal savings. If you've got money tucked away, this could be a reliable way to set things in motion without the need to rely on external sources. Business loan. Getting a loan from a financial institution is another common avenue. Lenders usually want you to invest between 15% and 25% of your personal funds towards the project's total cost. A good credit score and sufficient collateral are also often necessary. And if the bank considers the loan a bit too risky, they might turn to an SBA, Small Business Administration, loan guarantee as a safeguard. Family and friends. Raising money from family and friends can provide you with the funds needed to get started. This route can be advantageous because the terms are generally more flexible. You can work out arrangements for equity shares in the business or set up interest payments that are manageable for you. Equipment leasing. Starting a courier business involves more than just an office. You'll need vehicles, possibly some special equipment, and maybe even a warehouse. Leasing these essentials could be a smart move to conserve cash, especially when you're just getting your business off the ground. Microloan. If your funding needs are relatively low or you find that credit isn't available through traditional lenders, a microloan could be your answer. Some microloan organizations not only provide the funding but also offer business training. This can be especially beneficial for those new to running a business. Step 4. Register the business. Before you can rev up your engines and hit the road, there's some legal groundwork to take care of. Regulations and requirements can differ from state to state, but here is a general overview of the tasks needed to make your business legit. Business structure. When registering your courier business, you'll need to decide what type of business structure best suits your needs. Choose your business structure. There are 4 main types of business structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest structure and is often chosen by individual entrepreneurs. As a sole proprietor, you and your business are considered the same entity. The ease of startup and lower cost are major advantages of this structure. However, it doesn't offer liability protection, meaning your assets could be at risk if your business incurs debt or is sued. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership might be suitable. Both partners share the responsibilities, profits, and losses of the business. Like a sole proprietorship, a general partnership doesn't provide liability protection. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders. This means the business, not the owners, is liable for its debts and any legal actions. Starting a corporation involves more paperwork and higher costs, but it provides strong liability protection. Limited liability company, LLC. An LLC is a hybrid structure that combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It's a popular choice for small businesses because it offers flexibility and protects the owners from personal liability. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Business name registration. After registering the business structure, you may need to register your business name. This process will vary depending on what business structure you pick. Sole proprietors and partnerships will often be required to register a doing business as DBA, while corporations and LLCs register with the state during the formation process. During this time, it's also a good idea to check if the name you want is available as a web domain, even if you're not ready to set up a website yet. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on where the business is located, there are likely general business registrations that may include a local business license, sales tax permit, employer identification number, and more. To operate a courier business, you will need to obtain specific licenses and permits. The exact requirements may vary depending on your location and the type of goods that are being transported, as some are regulated. In addition to general requirements such as a business license, seller's permit, and employer identification number, EIN, a courier business may need specific vehicle licensing and bonding in order to operate. Step 5. Set up operations. With the funding secured and the business registered, you're on the right track. But now comes the nuts and bolts part, setting up the operations. First, you'll need a home base for your operations. Depending on your needs, this could be a physical location like an office or warehouse, or you might opt to run the business from your home and use a virtual office for a professional address. The type of location you choose can greatly impact the initial costs and ongoing expenses. Once you've secured a location, the next step is to invest in the necessary equipment and vehicles. These may range from delivery vans, trucks, bicycles, or motorcycles for transportation, to GPS tracking systems, barcode scanners, and communication devices for logistics and management. The type of equipment and vehicles you choose will largely depend on the nature of your courier service, the kinds of packages you plan to deliver, and the areas you'll be serving. Next, you've got to figure out how to price your services. Your pricing strategy needs to take into account a variety of factors, including the distance to the delivery destination, how quickly the package needs to get there, its size, its value, and any special requirements like temperature control. You'll also need to decide on your payment structure. Will customers pay upfront when they schedule a delivery, or will you send them an invoice afterward? Both methods have their pros and cons, so choose the one that fits your business model best. Step 6. Hire staff. As you set the wheels in motion for your courier business, you may find that you can't do it all yourself. Common roles in a courier service include drivers, dispatchers, and office coordinators to help run operations. If you do decide to hire right away, one decision you'll need to make is whether to employ delivery personnel directly or use independent contractors. Each has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Employing staff means taking on more responsibilities for things like benefits and taxes, but you'll have more control over their training and work hours. Independent contractors might save you some hassle in the benefits department, but they often work for multiple clients and may not always be available when you need them. Before you post a job ad, there are some legal checkboxes to tick. Start by getting an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This is a unique 9-digit number that you'll need for tax purposes. You'll also have to confirm that whoever you hire is allowed to work in the U.S. This involves checking identification and may include other steps. State requirements for reporting new hires can differ, so make sure you know what's needed where your business operates. Also, most states mandate that you carry workers' compensation insurance for your employees, covering them in case they get injured on the job. And don't forget to read up on labor laws, which govern how you should treat your employees or contractors in terms of hours, pay, and conditions. Step 7. Create a marketing plan. With the business close to starting, it's now time to let people know about your services. Start by pinpointing your target customers. Are you catering to law firms, medical practices, e-commerce sites, or local retailers? This knowledge will serve as the foundation of your marketing plan. Creating a strong brand identity is the next part. Your company name, logo, tagline, and visual branding elements can foster recognition and trust in your courier service. Promoting your brand can extend to providing employees and contractors with uniforms or apparel items, vehicle signage, and other advertising materials, which can serve as mobile billboards for your business. Being visible online, such as with a professional-looking website and listing on online directories such as Google My Business and Yelp, should not be overlooked. Building partnerships can be another vital aspect of your marketing approach. Third-party logistics firms often need last-mile delivery services, and forming an alliance with them could provide a consistent volume of business. Keep these potential partners in mind as you expand your professional network. Step 8. Prepare to launch. Every business is unique, and you might not need to take all these steps. However, these are common areas that new business owners should consider as they prepare to launch their courier business. Business insurance. Operating without proper insurance is a risky endeavor. Make sure you have all the required insurance like vehicle, liability, and goods in transit insurance to cover any unforeseen circumstances. Setting up bookkeeping, an organized financial record system is vital. Consider hiring an accountant or using accounting software like Wave Accounting, Free, or QuickBooks to manage invoices, payroll, and tax filings. Contracts. These might include service-level agreements with clients detailing delivery times, pricing, and liability, or contracts with independent contractors outlining their responsibilities and terms of service. Rocket Lawyer and Law Depot have free and inexpensive templates that may be helpful. Opening a business bank account, a separate account will help you manage business finances and track expenses more accurately. Delivery management software. Investing in industry-specific software can streamline your operations. For example, OnFleet, SurePox, or Toucan can help with delivery tracking and fleet management. Joining industry associations. Becoming a member of industry associations like the Customized Logistics and Delivery Association, CLDA, can provide networking opportunities and professional development resources. Now, the important question is, how much does it cost to start a courier business? Starting a courier business can be affordable with good planning. A basic setup for a one-vehicle operation might cost $10,000 to $20,000. Here are the main costs. Vehicle. A used van can be around $10,000, while a new one goes for $20,000 to $40,000. Location. If you don't work from home, expect to pay $1,000 to $3,000 for deposits in a commercial space. Equipment. Basic gear like dollies and GPS will cost $1,000 to $2,000. Barcode scanners and tracking software add another $500 to $1,000. Insurance. Vehicle and liability insurance can cost $1,000 to $3,000 depending on coverage and location. Licenses and permits. Fees vary by state and locality but expect $100 to $1,000. Marketing. A basic website can be built for $200 using website builders. Add $100 for business cards, flyers, and vehicle signage. It's also wise to have 3 to 6 months of operating expenses saved as a safety net. This helps cover unexpected costs and keeps your business afloat during setbacks. Now, do you want to know how profitable is a courier business owner? Courier businesses can be profitable. The profit potential for courier business owners can vary substantially based on factors like location, niche, scale, efficiency, and pricing power. A solo operation with one vehicle could make $60,000 to $100,000 a year. Imagine completing 50 deliveries daily at $20 each, that's $1,000 a day or $260,000 a year. After expenses, around 40%, you'd have $156,000 in profit. With more vehicles, drivers, and strategic marketing, profits can climb even higher. This shows the potential even for a small courier business. Now, a common question arises: what skills are needed to run a courier business? While a business degree isn't required, some skills can give you a leg up in the courier business. Experience. Prior experience in the courier industry is a plus, as it prepares you for the challenges. Local knowledge. Knowing your service area well helps plan routes and avoid traffic jams. Organization. Multiple deliveries with deadlines require strong organizational skills. Attention to detail. Success hinges on details like pickup times and addresses. Physical strength. If your business delivers large packages, consider your physical strength and proper lifting techniques. Customer service. Excellent phone and interpersonal skills help build rapport with clients. In conclusion, the mobile courier business industry outlook is positive. With the right skills, service area, tools, and technology, you can build a thriving business. Not only will you have a job that you can be proud of, but a home service that helps people protect and maintain an essential investment. As you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.